All right, so we're hanging the wall anchors, Tapcons, and to hang the weed eaters, extension cords, etc. So I got one screw, one anchor already in. The other end, we're using the Tapcon 3/16 by 2 1/4. It's going in there. We have one anchor already in. I'm using the white ones. The blue ones somehow were not in all the way. There's one right here that's.
Who are you talking to?
There's one that's not all the way complete. The other side is in. We're gonna hit the other side right now. Just using a small little drill bit to get in there. Piece go in there. I had already just used the whatchamacallit, put it in there. Anchor. So when you're doing it, if you feel like every time you do it and it comes out of the wall, you can see how it comes out. Meaning, I didn't put the not the screw in. I didn't go deep enough with this puppy. So once it goes in there a little bit more deeper, it'll grip more, and we'll continue on. 1 second. Fuck. All right. Now we're going to switch over back to the screwdriver end of it with the Tapcon screw. That's it. It's in there. The board is anchored in. It's all the way across. So now I'm gonna go through there. I'm gonna put my hooks on there. Lastly, the storage hooks, just like that. Either hang a ladder on there. My goal is to hang the weed eaters I have right over here, because the steels, when they're on the ground, they're getting all messed up with water. So my goal is we're just gonna hang it all on top of there. Paint the board white, stab them on there. That way you have organization stuff off the floor. So little tips, cost me the board $4.32. Tapcon screws, I believe they were $4.11, so $9 versus buying a shelf, etc. So now I can just hang items on there. So hope this works for you guys, whoever is trying to install it with a Tapcon screw. So that's it. Thank you very much. Oh, the only trick I have is when when you're doing the Tapcon screw, don't use the 1/4 inch. I always felt like it was a little bit smarter to use the 1/8 or the 9/64. Something that's a little bit smaller than the Tapcon screw. That way it just grabs it, and once it gets to that center block, it just continues on, rock and rolling inside that. So continue on. Thank you very much. Have a good day.